let's just remind you, we've got another contest running on MatchPoint 2020 today for you guys, and that contest is for the best youngsters in IPL 2015. And up for grabs is a Rajasthan Royals jersey. You guys have to participate, win exciting prizes over the next 2 days, win daily prizes, and a grand prize will be announced on the 24th of May. Here are your options: Chahal, Shreyas Iyer, there's Shreyas, there's Harshal, Pawan, and Hardik Pandya for the best Indian youngsters in IPL 2015.
And just to let you know, try and send as many tweets as possible, make them as wacky, as witty as possible, because there are lots and lots of entries coming in. So just make sure yourself, the one who's got so many tweets that you can't be missed, really.
Okay.
So that's a jersey that'll be coming your way. A total of 15 jerseys what we're giving out. And remember, there are also 2 bats, 2 autographed bats that will be the mega prize we'll announce tomorrow.